Well, there you have the two teams taking their turn onto the pitch, led by referee Mohammed Misbah, who've handed 52 games last season. You can see DWC Taylor also in your shot, one of the most experienced players in the Ghana Premier League. Well, just about this particular venue, 79 days it has been commissioned back in August, and I've hosted a couple of games already. As the referees pause for the picture, that's the center referee for today's game, Mohammed Misbah, and he'll be assisted on line 1 by Jalilu. With line 2 being the man who's been very experienced most of the time, Abdullahi Abdul Salam. And the 4th official will be Ayaba Asi Ibrahim. Well, we'll get to run you through the starting lineup for both teams in a jiffy. A couple of fans here. There we go for the first 45 minutes. And Hasselhoff kicking first in this fixture. Lovely atmosphere, green everywhere.
To use the wings at the moment to see if they can create a chance for a first goal.
Yes, Collinson fell in to keep his eyes onto the ball, and he managed to push it back to Amufa. That's from Ransford. It's a big hit, Hamza. Medeama recovers once again in their own territory. That's Mante. Medeama will come forward. Lovely work from Boysen. Ample of space. Finds a marker. It's Taylor. Twisting and turning. Hits it back. That's a lovely hit. Oh my goodness. That's across the face of goal.
That was a lovely cross. That was
one of the players who's got his name on the score sheet. That's the push from behind. Hamza is up. A lovely run. Finds Suleimana. Looks like a crossing, but not the best of time from Babel. And it's picked up by Asari once again. No troubles for him in the last 7 minutes. Here's Samofa. It's a long whip up front. Lots of twisting and turning, and coming up Boateng. No, came in for Asamoah Boateng, a free, already struggling to run through that channel on the far left hand side. There's another lovely breakaway for Medeama SC. They've been stopped. Clever work from Collinson. It's lifted deep in search of Hamza. Now Kubi picks it. It's been end-to-end stuff already. Yes, Mante for the move 10 yellow. Hits it across field. Oh, just look at the hit from the experience. The left back, it was Kelly with a lot of accuracy. But a textbook header absolutely off the roof. Looks to be the last kick of this first half department, and that confirms it. It's half time here at the TNA Park in Takwa. What a game we've had. But the story remains intact as both teams head into the dressing room with a lot of chit chats. Well, it's half time. Hawks 0, Medeama SC 0. for us. Well, in case you've just joined watching what, Hasselfolk are clouded in their favourite away colours in white and a bit of rainbow colours. And they are now kicking from right to left with Medeama on the home side. Now kicking from left to right in your shot. And they're in their move. And a bit of yellow colours as we have already begun the second half of this game. There's ambitious hit. Looking for Boyson. But it's Hasselfolk throwing from their territory. It's going to be a long one. And it starts by Boyson. Here's Babel. Babel. It's a very fruitless run into Hasselfolk area. Kamaradini. And that's a clear foul on him. And it's Babel who goes down in the process. It's the home side free kick. And has once again have started defending the way they started in the first half. Sitting on the edge. And they start slowly and eventually get themselves warm up into the game as we get ready for this free kick. So Phil is back here, but there's a lovely bomb from Mante. Hit into the channel and it's been evicted. Lovely hit, has been miscued. And it's tapped away onto the path of Suleimana. Osesi Bay will shoot it out. Here's Hamza. Looking for a bit of support. Oh, not the best of touch.
Not the best of touch. Accra Hasselfolk has been pinned into their half, in their own half. And Medeama have started where they finished in the first half.
Yes, Mante will send it to the far left-hand side for Suleimana. It's back to Abdullahi. Looking for a bit of space. Finds Mante. That's a lovely long hit. Looking for Boyson. Couldn't pick.
That's brilliant.
It's whipped up front by... Oh, here comes a chance for Hasselfolk. It's Hamza. Hamza! Oh, is it? Kwapina Boati for Accra Hasselfolk. The TNA Park is certainly on the tenterhooks.
Accra Hasselfolk has broken the deadlock.
Benjamin Asari edging the first on. But the players cannot just have enough. Has been struck into the lead and they are dancing in a mighty city.
I mentioned that if Hamza is able to time his run, he's definitely going to score or create a chance for Accra Hasselfolk.
Well, look at his movement. Beat his marker, Nordin Abdullahi. And he slots it beyond goalkeeper Piakobe, struck beyond maximum limit, but he cannot just touch it and has won Medeama 0.
This is fantastic, and this is the gun.
Staying his record. 69 minutes. And the drama in this game is absolutely sensational. Suleimana picks it, hits it one to the far left hand side. That's a strong challenge from behind. Sane the culprit. But Medeama have nothing to lose. They've got a few minutes left on the clock. 20 minutes to play for with additional time. Ransford Mensah. And that'll be a corner kick for Hasselfolk. Watara cannot just understand why his player will hit it beyond the bar line. He was hoping that it could be sent to the throwing, but here's a dangerous ball and a cross, and Benjamin Asari with the magic touch to keep us in this game.
That was a fantastic save from Asari.
Captain by example. Captain with a great touch. And Hawks will push for it. Hamza once again giving a stop. And this time around the entire bench of House of Folk.
Hamza has been strong. He's been fantastic up front. A lone ranger for Accra House of Folk up front. I was saying earlier that he needed an assistance from the midfielders. Most of the time he's been left alone up front.
Oh, Hamza Issa, just 22 years. Has played lots of minutes for House of Folk Saints, been promoted from House of Folk junior side. 13 goals in his debut season. Oh, that's a lovely piece of defending from Osesibe once again. It's now hitting to the channel 4. But Emmanuel Amankwa stands his ground. Fails to attempt it and is blocked. Osesibe is that lad. Discipline for you.
He looks to be vying for the MVP today. His performance has been fantastic.
Well, the story also at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium is still intact, with the Accra Lions still holding onto their 1-goal lead against Samaktex, defending champions. The same story here as well at the TNA Park. As we approach the 85th minute, with just 5 minutes left. Here they'll go again on the right foot, trying to attack. It's a long head for Hamza. Look at it. Now Piakobi has got experience and knows how to deal with that as they bring it forward again. And he's trying to use the middle. Yes, Wayo, the former DPN Eagle Stars man, goes to the ground, holding his head. Osesibe, long drive up front. He's been the Minister of Defense this evening.
It's been fantastic. He's been the sweeper in the defense for Accra House of Folk, and he's always there.
Suleimana falls from behind, and Salim Adams absolutely very furious with a call from the referee. And he needs to be careful. He's already gotten into the book of the referee, and that's a confirmation of House of Folk 5th yellow card outside that of their manager, blocking everything unless from running to that channel. And the fans love it, what Benjamin Asare is doing. But the big question is, how many times or how many minutes will he do that in his game? Football, they say, has got a lot of faces. Wow! Oh, Palmer is in! It's in! It is in! Mowley and House of Folk are running away with his victory. It's the substitute that heads House of Folk into the lead for the second time, and it's crazy atmosphere in Takwa.
That's lovely, absolutely fantastic. What a game!
Medeama panic a moment, and they would need to chase this game from behind for the second time after failing to answer the one Kwabena Boateng has scored, and the fireworks in the stands. But watch it, lovely hit. Kamara Dini walking, Abdullahi has not got the answers. I feel that this was a weak defending from Medeama SC. They could have done better.
I'll give credit to Asari. He shot the ball from the heart of the defense of Accra Hearts of Oak straight to Mauli. He headed the ball. Kubi had a chance to block it, but he chose to parry it. And Mauli headed the ball into the net again. That's a fantastic game.
Well, his first goal of the season from the Phobias in this crucial encounter, coming at the right point when they need in this last minute. At the moment, you can understand those who have left their seat empty. It's certainly going to be the Medeama SC fans who are a bit unhappy about what they are saying. But he has a great chance for Camara to put one back for Medeama SC, but it was a big shot. There's Hamza, wins it. Hamza been playing on again. That should be a lovely idea if it's water to go this evening. But it's been well taken care of. Suleimana. And his back is well picked up by Medeama SC, Apia Kobe. Grassford Mensah hits it into the middle. Here's Kamaradini. Tete. And it's brushed off by the Dambotsman. Less than 2 minutes. And Medeama is running out of time as Hamza is being brought off for Frimpong to come in. What a game he has had. Isaac Frimpong. Well, he's not been part of almost the last 5 matches squad of Hasselhoff. And they cannot just wait for the whistle of the referee. Mohamed Misbah. Certainly they'll be traveling with their deserved result. They've been searching for this season, and it's not coming out anywhere. But at the TNA Park, the sacrificial ground for Medeama SC against any opposing team. What a game we've had. 90 minutes of absolute entertaining clash. The clear favourites on paper have been pushed behind twice in this encounter by Kwabena Boateng and Wayo. It's picked by Benjamin Asari. And you can see the fans are absolutely crazy. And that is it. Hasselhoff has won Medeama SC for the first time since 2016. What a game we've had. Nerve-wracking moment. Twice they struck, and Apia Kobe has not got a hands to keep it out of his net. Boy, oh boy, what a moment in Takwa. The fans cannot just stop celebrating as Hasselhoff jumps into the 7th position on the league rock after match day 9.